If you ever wonder what a boat lift looked like, well, here, now you know what it looks like. That is the boat over there. Usually goes here. Why is it not there? Why is it over there? Oh my God, because I'm going fishing because I just finished trading. All right, guys, now down to business. Today was a day where I did not like just about anything in the watch list this morning, but hey, we found something to trade and we're going to go over those charts here in a minute. So without any further delay, check it out. Well, guys, you know what? I decided to do a little tour here for you real quick of the neighborhood here at the Keys house. Today was a good day trading day in the sense that we showed a tremendous amount of discipline, all right? And discipline was absolutely essential today because today was a day where one could have easily fallen into the red. There was a whole lot of pop and drops. There was a whole lot of resistance zones that being violated. Support zones being violated. There was a whole lot of those type of issues. But, you know, here at daytraderchatroom.com, we actually remained green. Now, yesterday, like I said, was a small red day for me, especially since I had some tech issues with the internet and stuff. But today, none of that happened. It was just one of those days, and you could tell in pre-market, just by looking at the pre-market action, that it was going to be kind of lackluster. And it sure was, you know. Gap scans were kind of weak today. If you want to look into some really good scanners, there's a 25% off coupon code on Trade Ideas. Link in the description and comment section. All right, but I'm going to flip the camera around here, show you a little bit of the neighborhood, and then we're going to go ahead and jump into the charts. So here you go. This is like the main street here. That's the bay right there, right across. You got the bay and you got the palm trees. You got the water right there, guys. The ocean's right there. Like, what else? What more could you want if you like the tropics and you like to fish and you like the ocean? There is a really nice house for sale here right by mine. And if any of you want to be my neighbor and, get that one-on-one trading with us here at the daytraderchatroom.com, it's literally just like two houses down from mine. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump into this recap here on the morning. Let me get the watch list for you. Today was a day where there wasn't a whole lot on a watch. There just really wasn't. I had 3 stocks on watch plus the SPY. Here's the dashboard over at daytraderchatroom.com. For those of you watching on YouTube, there is a link in the description and comment section for a 5-day trial. Come join us for 5 days. You get access to the dashboard, some courses, the video lesson library with over 200 videos. And today, the daily watch list, GOVX, MRIN, SSY, and I also had the SPY I added later on in the morning. Right before the bell rang, I added the SPY. And the SPY was a simple trade. It just never gave me a pullback. We were looking for a break of this 441 level right here. That was previous resistance here recently. Right there, bang, bang. And right in here and here. And I was just looking for a break of that level with a pullback to test it for support. If we would have gotten that pullback in here, I was looking for some calls, but we never got the pullback. It just went right through the level and never looked back. So missed out on that one, kind of sad about that, but it is the name of the game sometimes. We also had GOVX on watch. GOVX was watching for 645 to hold support. Obviously, we pierced right through that, and you've seen that it's just fading, so no trade for me on GOVX. Watching MRIN, and nothing there for me either. And SSY, nothing else. So I said, you know what, I'm watching the scanners and I'm waiting. I'm going to be patient. My first trade didn't come until 10:24 a.m. And I was actually watching a couple stocks, and most of them were doing the same thing, where they were just giving you quick pops and then quick drops. You see right here is a perfect example, GRNQ. Quick pop, new high, gets slammed right back down, and then it just starts to fade. And that was something we were seeing across the board on many of these stocks. Now, what happened here was FLGC started to hit the scans out of nowhere. Okay, started to hit the scans, and right here, you can see it got halted, pulled in, reclaimed the VWAP, and then it started to form a nice cup and handle pattern right in here. Now, I did not catch that move. I was still scanning, looking for something. And right in here, we got that quick pop through the highs. And I told you guys, that's when I came on the mic after I drew out my fib levels and analyzed the chart. I told you guys that I was going to be watching for a pullback into what? This level right here. This level right here is in the 1130s. And where does that line up?
right here, 1125, 1130 area. You can see support right here on the daily, support right here on the daily, okay, support, and then resistance here on the daily. So when I saw that we had the 23.6 Fibonacci level, we had 90 MA and VWAP all lining up in that general vicinity as in the daily, right here when we started to pull in, and we had decreasing volume, I decided to go ahead and get long, and I got long in this candle right in here, and we immediately pop up to the highs. I take a piece of profit off at $12 right on the ask. The high a day at the time was 12.08, so I put an order out on the ask for some profit just in case we double topped. Next candle right here, we pierced through the highs. Let me erase some of this so I can clear it up for you. We pierce through the highs right here, make a new high of day right around 11:20, and we instantly reject. And not only do we instantly reject, but we reject on a pretty nice size volume bar. So as soon as we reject and we start to come back down, I get flat in front of my buy zone, because generally speaking, when you make a new high like this and you instantly reject and come right back down to that support zone, it's generally speaking a bearish signal. Now I did begin to hold that level here for a few minutes, and it was actually looking like it might have trapped some shorts, but considering how the day's action was going, I did not re-enter this position, and it instantly broke down underneath the support zones. Now I'll show you the alerts here for those of you watching on YouTube, so you can see where we got in. So long FLGC 1156, stop 1115 area, taking some profits, 12 bucks, and then I got flat 1160. And I really was looking to see if we can get some continuation here. Next take profit was going to be in the 1140, 1150 area, and I was going to look for some more as we squeezed maybe towards 13 bucks. Didn't come, but still a profitable trade. And these are the take profits right in here. Just two take profits, because one is a stop out and the other one was a take profit right over here. And the entry was just around there. Okay, so a really small trade, but it's green nonetheless. And that's pretty much it for Friday as far as trading goes for me.
Well, guys, that's going to be it for me today. Just a small day here. It's better than red, I'll tell you that much. We showed discipline. We waited for the patterns to develop. I mean, I didn't take my first trade and my only trade until 10:24 a.m., so I literally sat there for an hour waiting. Let me know how you did. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.